Hi everyone, let's see how to remove and replace the cylindrical door lock set. Look for the small opening which will be at the opposite side of the knob with a keyhole. Push the metal thing inside with any similar object which you have at home, and the knob can be removed by pulling it out by a slight twist and turns, and this rectangular gap is the one with which the knob holds to it. Use this gap to remove this cover, and those without gap might be a threaded type, so remove it according to the model which you have on your door. See this thing? This pulls the latch to unlock the door. For this lock, one side is threaded, so I can use this lock if the thickness of the door is more or lesser than this. This door latch comes with different length, it might be longer or shorter. So when you buy one, get with a similar size which you already have on your door. And that's it guys, I'm going to fix it back, and please help to hit the subscribe and like button, and then thank you and have a nice day.